Welcome to Buff My Stream, the show where we're going to give one starry-eyed gamer the XP they need to take their gaming experience to the next level.
I would love if EE could help buff my stream.
One day, my dad brought home a PS1. I just remember her playing on like a big old telly. But my first stream was with my sister. We had a few friends watching us. It was good fun.
If I could make a career out of streaming, then I couldn't really ask for more. My kit is a mix of new and old things. For example, my desk is quite old. It's just a wooden desk with not much leg space.
Despite being a gamer, I like to go outside. I got into parkour. We game to interact with others, to socialize. It's just another medium of meeting people and getting to know each other.
Well, I don't know about you lads, but I definitely think out of everyone, he is our guy.
His setup needs work.
We could give him the advice to push him in the right direction.
I've heard, though, that he's on his way over, so me and you should really get going.
Yeah.
How would you say your confidence is on stream?
Because obviously I'm still starting out, every time there is something that someone doesn't like, I'll try to make everyone happy and, you know, be a people pleaser. But I think that's not going to be good for building an audience because it won't be clear what I want to do.
I'm a variety streamer on Twitch. I do everything and anything on stream. Hopefully it's entertaining. It's usually sarcastic. I've been doing it for 12 years and it seems to be working. Just let yourself be yourself and let yourself discover who you are through doing that. And then through that, you end up building a community. There are other people out there that like the exact same things that you like, the little niches, and they respond to things in the way that you do. And that is a nice feeling, and you can build a strong community around that. Once you start building really authentic connections with people through your personality, who you are, they'll stick around, they'll watch everything.
Wow.
OK, this must be it.
Yeah, this is definitely the room.
This guy likes to stream, right? Needs a bit of help, I think. I work for EE to make sure that we are the #1 destination for gaming, no matter how or what you play. There is a lot of kit we've got to get out of there straight away. Have a nice clean space to do some work.
The space here, can't lie, yeah, I ain't fitting in it.
I love giving gamers the kit that they need to take their stream to the next level.
Over time, you can tell like this has been taken like from different parts of life.
This is classic first time when I got into gaming, right? We've just literally got back from your place.
Yeah.
How have you gamed for that long with your desk?
No, I guess you kind of just, you do what you have to do, I guess. Like,
right, you've got commitment.
You got way.
I'll give you that. You've got
Yeah,
proper commitment. There's so much that we have at EE that is going to benefit you. Obviously, we've brought in the best guy for it as well, so I'm just going to give you the stuff and you do your magic. What type of tech do you want to see in your gaming space?
I see a lot of people with really clean setups, especially streamers. They have like a nice backdrop. They have like cool lighting.
Yeah, we are going to have to, yeah.
So at this moment in time, how much content do you say you're posting online?
Because I've been streaming every day with the goal that I'll eventually, get content to clip. I've not actually posted anything on TikTok. I do need to step on that.
I'm a Twitch streamer and social media creator with over 1.6 million followers combined throughout all socials. Realizing he has no social media presence whatsoever online was a major red flag. So many streamers get stuck in the warp of thinking to become successful, they must stream every single hour of the day. So social media in general is literally the building block / the foundation of creating a successful streaming career. Without content creation, your streaming career, 99% of the time, is not gonna go anywhere. The more people see your face, you know what I mean? Like, who's this guy? That's gonna bring them into your stream. So that's why content creation is the most important piece of thing for growing your stream. I would almost say, stream less, create content more. In 2 or 3 weeks' time, I'm gonna check up on you personally, all right?
Okay, sure.
And I wanna see 15 short form videos. Agree on that?
Yeah. All right.
Deal?
Sounds good. Never really was someone who wanted to sit at a desk and do a 9 to 5. I think as humans, we're very social people. The most fundamental things we do is tell stories. We have that passion for sharing experiences. The gaming is something that brings people together, but also I think it's a way to learn. It's helped through a lot of things too. It takes my mind off of whatever difficulty I'm having. It does help to have that safe space. I have a clearer plan of what I need to do. It also seems a lot more possible to really take it from something that's just a hobby to something that's a profession. Oh my. This doesn't feel real. You sure is this the right house?
This is the right
This
house.
is your bedroom.
This is your room.
And you got parkour as well? That's sick, that's sick.
Don't forget your sign behind you.
That is actually so fire.
Here you go.
Proper chair too. So like every time I look, there's a new angle, there's a new thing. Oh, wow. Okay, thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
So good, man. Thank you. So good, bro.
Yes, thank you as well.
You are more
Thank
than
you very
welcome,
much.
my darling. You really are more than welcome.
We're gonna let you enjoy the setup,
Yeah.
soak it all in, and enjoy your brand new gaming space.
Thanks, guys. Oh my gosh. We are live. We are live. It's crazy, 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 crazy.